Hi, Gabriela's here with Tulip Art Designs, and today we are doing the last day of our ink and watercolor advent calendar. I just can't believe that I sketched a festive illustration for 24 days. I made 24 videos and I am inspiring you to sit and sketch something. Um, Today is day 24 and I just can't wait to show you what we have. Maybe you know, maybe you can guess, I don't know, but let me just show you. Please consider subscribing for my channel so you will not miss any of the new videos. Let's dive in. So let's see, what do we have for our last day of the ink and watercolor advent calendar? We have Santa. Like, what? Yeah, we couldn't just finish this challenge without sketching Santa, right? So let me show you how I made this cute illustration. So everything about these supplies is in a video. I made 3 preparation videos that can help you start with creative challenge and to make sure you will enjoy it. These preparation videos are always good to watch. They are not only for the advent calendar, but there is information that is quite useful when you want to start your watercolor sketching journey. I wanted to just walk you through the illustrations we already made. um, I definitely try to keep them beginner friendly, but still, if you feel the drawing part is not really easy, I have the outlines templates that are available on my Patreon, so you can join me there. It's only $5 a month, so I want to make it accessible for everyone, so it's I think it's quite affordable. So these are quite nice. It's always good to look back to what you've made, to see your progress. And like this one, it was super simple and easy, but it's so cute. I just love it. And the holy is one of my favorite. All of them are my favorites. Also these two, like, yeah, yeah, that was from yesterday. So let's start our Santa here. I've never sketched a Santa before, so you will probably again see me figuring out stuff. Of course, I have some reference photos, but let's see. I think I will start. Should we paint the whole thing or maybe just the head, because I don't have a lot of space? Let's start with the red nose, just like Rudolph, and then we have the mustache, and on the other side I try to make it symmetrical, but maybe it's not really symmetrical. We have the mouth, and then we have the face here under a hat, and small eyes with white brown eyes with the white eyebrows. Sorry, I was like, what did I say? Also on this side one, and then we have the hat just coming here behind the eyebrows. I think I'm not saying it correctly. Okay, something like this. This is our hat, and then I want here start my beard like this. So it's quite fluffy, I think. Maybe like this. And let's add some shoulders here and the hat. Like this. Okay, I think that's going quite nice. I've never been able to sketch people, so this was definitely quite a big challenge. But I think it's going quite nice. Of course, with the ink we can make our lines a bit different. For example, here we can just make it more fluffy, the hat. Maybe I have to work more on illustrating people and different characters. Maybe it will actually end up quite nice. Okay, then we have the red nose. I think Santa has a red nose. It's quite cold, right? I like this. My god, I'm so sorry for my voice and my nose. Okay. The challenge this time will be to get a skin tone having my limited palette. So let's see how I will manage to do this. Like this. Then the shoulders here. And our hat. All right. I think something like this is quite nice. Let me erase the pencil lines. Okay. Again, I will use my round brush 10, but if that's too big for you, you can definitely take a small one. I will add water to my hat. And then I will throw in some red. Like this. And let it just bleed. So these watercolors are amazing. My Mary Blue, they are just so nice. This is not sponsored at all. I bought my watercolors by myself and I am using them for almost a year now, and I am so happy with them for sure. And yeah, sometimes watercolors can be a bit more expensive, but they last forever. Especially for watercolor sketching techniques that I use, I just loaded this palette last March, I think, if I am not mistaken. So yeah, that's quite a lot of time. Okay, now let's see if I can get here some skin tone. I have some interesting picks here. I want a little bit of red. So I have different reds. I have a little bit of burnt umber and some yellow ochre. If you have a big nice watercolor palette, then I believe it will be definitely nicer when you have the color already there. But this is quite nice color actually. It has the pinky tone inside because I just added a little bit of red. Okay, and I want to take a bit darker to just add it here as a shadow from the hat, and that's, I think that's gonna be it. I need to make the beard nice, so I will make some brush strokes with my water like this, and I will pick some Payne's gray, but really just on the tip of my brush, and I will add it and let it bleed. So like this. And also on the mustache, here on the bottom part, because there is the darker part. Here under the nose a little bit. Painting white objects is always a challenge, for sure, also for me, although I am your teacher. I will add a little bit dark here, and that's going to be it. That's everything for the beard. I will add a very small amount of Payne's gray here on the eyebrows. Same for the white part of the hat. So this now probably, maybe it's good actually to zoom in. So now this is a bit darker, right? I will wash my brush and spread it around like this. I can take a little bit of Payne's gray and just add it in, just like this. I will add a red here because these are his shoulders, so I will start with very light pinkish water. Just like this. I will take more concentrated paint and I will throw it in. Here I touch the beard. Now it's bleeding. I am not really bothering too much, but if you don't like such effect, you have to wait for sure for the beard to dry, or you have to not touch it, okay? I just want to add a little bit of darker here behind the part of the hat that is folded, just like this. We can add more red here if we want to. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it. We can make some splashes, and this time let me just show you. You can just add your paper towel or another paper and then splash like this. Okay, now you can see that I kind of saved it. Let me just write day 24. That was such a nice illustration. I was feeling a bit scared in the beginning, to be honest, because as I told you, I just can't paint people. I can't draw people. But it turned out very nice. And yeah, what would it be if there is advent calendar without Santa? Like, I just couldn't imagine it. So let me just dry this, and I will add a bit of white highlights. Okay, I almost forgot his nose, so I will pick a little bit of paint on my tip of the brush, and I will add here for his red nose. I will use just pinkish water to make nice and pinky parts here. I think that's cute. Okay, yes, I'm loving it. Okay, where is my Jelly Roll pen? I want to add a little bit of highlight here, and also on the hat. Let me see. Yes, on the nose. That's it. I think we are ready. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the whole series of 24 tutorials. This challenge was definitely quite challenging and nice for me, but I had a lot of fun, and I hope that I inspired you and I helped you get creative. As a reminder, friendly reminder, all the outline templates are available on my Patreon. All my members are already downloading them and using them for their own illustrations. Make sure you check out all the other platforms where I'm sharing daily content to help you get creative, and subscribe for my channel because I'm sure you don't want to miss any of the coming videos. And I definitely put lots of effort to make these videos helpful and nice to watch. Apologize for my nose and my voice. I hope this flu season is just done quite soon, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Bye!